guys, Miss Charlie here with an unboxing. I have become an affiliate of the indie brand Cnutbutrbeauty over the last month or so. I posted a little bit about it on my Instagram. I have two palettes from them. I have one from their previous collection, which was done with Persona 5 Royale, which is a video game. They do a lot of video gaming, hence the name Cnutbutrbeauty. And my sons are gamers and they love Persona, so I went ahead and got a couple things from that collection, two of their multi-chromes and one of the palettes, which is the METAVERSE one. And then they gifted me the Adventure palette, which is gorgeous, and I've done a 2 looks, 1 palette using that. I'll link everything below. But the new release is a favorite anime and manga. I'm only on season 1. I only finished season 1 of this particular game. I don't know if it's a game. If it's a game, I'll put it up, but I just know it from being a manga and an anime series. And that is something I love. I love anime, I love manga, and when they said they were going to have this collection, I had to have it and add it to my collection because I do also collect makeup for different reasons. I still use it, but I am a collector, depending on what it is. But I was excited about this, and this is the box that it came in, and I'm so excited. I have opened it, but I have not really reviewed anything in here yet, so this will be first for you and for me. So the new collection is with Attack on Titan. I love this series. I have finished the first series, the first season. I'm working into the second season. I've only watched a few episodes of the second season. I'm trying to get back into watching and reading and things like that. Things I got away from doing other things. But when I saw this, I had to have it because it's a favorite. And it comes in this really cool container, collectors, and it looks like a book. And I have these manga of the Attack on Titan, which has three volumes in one. And I'm working on season 2 right now, but I love this series. I really love it. It is a little bit strange, but I love strange. So yes, when this came out, I love the cover of the book. It has some of my favorite characters on it. Armin, Mikasa, Erin, and Levi. Levi is me all the way through. No expression, no feeling, just do what you gotta do and shut the hell up, basically. Get the job done and shut the hell up, basically. That's him and that's me. But yes, I'm so happy to get this, and I paid for this. They did not send this to me. I paid for this. And you open it up and it has one of the cities and one of the walls. If you're familiar with Attack on Titan, you know there's 3 walls, and this is one of the walls and one of the cities within the wall. And then you get a palette for each wall: the Rose wall, the Maria wall, and the Cena wall. This I'm going to talk about here in a minute because I'm a little confused on Cena, but we'll get to that in a minute. But then you get these lip glosses in all 4 characters, and I thought that this was like the box, like this is a box and then the palettes inside. I thought this was a component and then you open it up and you take the lip gloss out. This is the lip gloss. This is the component. That is so cool. I love that part of this. And these are very nudie kind of colors. I can go ahead and swatch these for you. This is the one from Mikasa. It's kind of a terracotta color, and the colors do kind of reminisce in the show because it's mostly neutral tones. There's not a lot of bright. There's some, but it's mostly neutral tones, cool, and warm tones. And that's a pretty gloss. It's got some some color to it. Like, again, it's a terracotta, and yeah, it's just named Mikasa. It doesn't have a different name, and it's a nice packaging. It feels like heavy cardboard packaging, but I love how they did the wall and then have them with their gear on. I love it. I love it. This was really, really smart. This one is in Eren, who is our protagonist of the show. This one is more neutral. It's got a little more color than the other two. These two are the colored ones. The other two are very sheer. I've already swatched them. Levi, who is, again, my favorite character. See this? On me, that's just clear. It's supposed to be like a nudie color, but on me, it's just clear, which is fine. And they smell like sprinkles. They smell like sprinkles. And then this one is Armin. And this is supposed to be like a pinky nudie, but it's still clear. On me, they're clear. They don't have colors. But I like these two as well, because when they go on, they're going to be a bit sheer with just a hint of color. But I love that this is the component. I was just so freaked out about that. I'm like, oh, how do you get this out of here? No, it's that's what it is. It's the whole thing. So that's really cool. And then the palettes, I'll take these out and then I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so we're going to start with the outer wall, because again, there are 3 walls. This is the outer wall, Rose. Come on, out of here. And that's what it looks like. And then we open her up, and she does have a little sleeve in there, which I do keep these. A lot of people don't. I keep it. And that's what she looks like. Very florally, I guess, from, you know, being rose. It's very florally. You have these 2 shimmers. This is a matte with shimmer, and then this is a matte. Very cute. So that's the first wall. The second wall is Maria. And this one is more cool tone blues. These 2 are shimmers. These 2 are mattes. Very pretty. And I will have swatches of these, of course. So there's Wall Maria, and then we have Wall Cena. So my confusion with Wall Cena is Wall Cena, and this one is the more neutral toned. A lot of neutral tones. You know, have the sky, because they use their gear to go through the air. That's how they move around. And then the rose, which is, you know, it looks like it's more towards the rosy tones, more calm. But yeah, I like how they did the color scheme, and then again, it's more neutral colors. And then of course they have this one here. This one is a shimmer. These 2 are mattes with shimmer, and then that's a matte. But you're not going to see the shimmer when you put it on your eyes, probably. But those are the 3 walls. So again, my issue with Cena is in the book, it does not have a wall Cena. I'll show you the book. These are the walls. The wall Maria. I'm sorry. The first wall is Wall Maria. Second one is Rose, and then the third wall is Sheena. That says Wall Sheena. But when I look it up online, it all says Cena. So I'm confused. So if you are a big Attack on Titan fan, can you explain to me why the manga says Sheena, but the things I see online say Cena, and also it's in this collection too, so I'm confused with that. But yeah, so I just wanted to mention that because that just kind of confused me. But I am so happy to have this collection. I'm so glad to try it out. I will be doing looks with each one of these. Yes, I will. So those will be coming soon, but I just wanted to unbox it and open it with you and let you know how excited I am. I thank Game Beauty for letting me be one of their affiliates. If you are interested in purchasing any of these items, you can buy the whole collection or you can buy the items separately. I'll link everything below. If you want to get some money off, you can use my code and my link, which will also be listed below. Or if you wanted to get any of their other palettes, which are awesome. I'm going to be getting some more soon. But if you want to get the Metaverse one that I have, if you want to get the Adventure palette, any of their other palettes, the site will be linked below. I appreciate if you use my code or my link. It helps me out. If not, that's absolutely fine. You do what best suits you. But I appreciate you all for being here. Again, let me know your thoughts on Attack on Titan. If you've watched it, if you've heard about it, explain to me the difference between Cena and Sheena. Maybe it's just a word difference. Anyway, but appreciate you being here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate each and every one of you who come to my channel and leave a comment or just watch. Thank you so very much. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Also follow Game Beauty as well. And we'll see you in the next video.